Hello and welcome to another update video about ADA. ADA has pushed a little bit higher since the last video, just a little bit higher, nothing major, but the support area, micro support that I shared with you, has moved up a little bit higher, and I will have to adjust it further and will do so if the price extends even higher. So the idea is that, the idea was that the 78 cent mark, sort of 78 to 82 cents, would be the next target, right? That is here, this previous swing high from March. And it's an important Fibonacci extension level we talked about. So it's here at 78 cents. Otherwise I would have to change the time frame now to show you. But I don't want to talk about the daily chart or anything. We did that in the previous video. If anybody is new here, then feel free to check out the previous video in which I explained to you, the overall bigger picture. We can do that tomorrow again. So you can also subscribe, and tomorrow the next update will follow. But the idea is, we are moving up here in this potential third wave. And I explained to you that we could also be in the green scenario. So it's white or green. Important is both are bullish, and they both can extend higher more directly. At some point, the white count will become less probable and it will likely be green, because then we get into Fibonacci extension areas where it's just probable to get this third one done, the third wave done very directly, targeting like $1.70 plus without any deep pullbacks. So main takeaway is we have a support area is currently between 65 cents and 68. Idea is, from an structural point of view, that we have, since this swing low here formed on Wednesday, we have a 1, 2, 3. We could get another 4, 5. Has this fourth wave started? Maybe it's due. It's due. I can't say it has started. It would be ideal here. And then maybe one more final push to complete this larger third, then a fourth wave, and then we go higher. But if it goes higher just directly without any pullbacks, all I have to do is to adjust the support area. So there are a few things to mention. So if we get one more high and it's doing this, 4, 5, then my idea would be that this wave count is full and we're starting possibly the fourth wave. So this would be support. But what could be the case, and I cannot rule that out, I wouldn't expect it, but it's possible, that this here, from this swing low from Wednesday, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that is just another wave 1, just this. And this would be a wave 2. And then we go higher and extend even higher. That's nothing I'm expecting, because it doesn't really fit into the overall wave count, but I will give you all the support levels you need to know at every stage, really. For now, I am just purely paying attention to this micro support area here and the 78 cent resistance, which is still being respected. So if we get this additional wave 4, and it might have started, let's go to the 30-minute chart, then this could be one setup on the smaller time frame for just one more high. This wave 2 down here, it took roughly a day, 1.5 days. So the wave 4 could also take like 1.5 days or so before we then get one more final push higher. And where could that take us? The next Fib level is up there around $1.04, $1.05. Yeah. But if we zoom out a bit, here resistance, structural resistance, goes all the way up to 81. We've already attacked that level. A second, let me just, So one way of calculating targets would be to use on the smaller time frame. This is the $1.04 level, is a larger degree Fibonacci level, but we can also use the smaller degree, smaller time frame. And there are 2 levels, no 3, that I would pay attention to. Okay, the first one was already reached, which is 82 cents now. Again, perfect, but would like to see that one more for 5 pattern. So 94 cents. 94 cents and then $1.04. So I leave the 94 cent level on the chart because it's an additional one in between, which kind of makes sense to focus on, because that could be a perfect wave 5 target. But that's just the micro level, really not much change on this chart, but I know everybody wants to be informed about the micro. At least this is my latest idea. which hasn't really changed, but we can add another upside target. So that's the update about ADA. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.